Salamu alaikum, mahali popote ulipo. Nina furaha wakati huu kukujulisha kwamba Online Solution TV channel yetu tumepata an Android app. Hii app inaweka video zote on a list. So hakuna kuhangaika, unazipata zote zikiwa on a list. Ukitaka kwenda kwa playlist, it is there. It is very simple, easy. We call it user-friendly. It is a very user-friendly interface which will help you get all the videos and you will be able to use them for your academic benefit. This is how you are going to use it. If you need the app, my phone number is in the description. You just need to text on WhatsApp. It is very free. We don't sell. So it is free. I will send you the app. You install and you start enjoying the videos. Welcome. I want to take you through how this application works. So after you have installed, you come to the app. This is the app Online Solution. You click that app. Now we have created this app so that it can put all the videos and you can find them easily at a glance. So I realize that most they do not know how to get the videos. Now we have put them in an app which is going to help you get all the videos well arranged without confusion. If you click here, you click there, you will see, click on videos, you will see the list of all of videos one by one, all of the videos one by one. If you just go down, if you like, for example, this one, Mapamba Square Machoyo, if that is what you like, or if you like, wow, KCSE 2025 Mathematics, you click that. You watch, you finish. After you watch and finish, you come back. You can come back. You have watched that one, you have finished. You come back to the app, go down and pick another one. Pick another one. So if you just continue down, you will see all the videos since the channel started. They are here. Chemistry, maths, English, Swahili, all of them are here at a glance. So you are not going to struggle getting the videos. Now, if that is not, and the other thing you can do, we have shorts. If you want to look at the shorts, you can see them. The shorts are here. Or that. If you want to see the lives, the one that I have done, the videos I have done live, you click on live. You click here on live. You go down. All of them are there. You just need to pick the one you want, watch, finish, and share. After that, now if you want now those that are in a playlist, you just scroll or move this bar to the left and you find the playlist. Like you are seeing, I'm moving this direction to the left. Click on the playlist. Now this one will bring you to where we have all the playlists. We have a playlist called Mapamba Square Machoyo. We have a playlist for CPC, university courses. We have a playlist of Nguza Jadi, KCSE 2024 marking schemes, all of that. So you go down and get the videos that you want. If you have a problem in mathematics, look at this one. Like this one, we have 32 videos. You click there and enjoy all the videos which are here. Look at them, all of them, in one place. In one place. You are not going to struggle. You see, all of them they are there. Once you finish, there is an arrow here. This arrow on the left side. Place this arrow. Let me show you the arrow. This arrow here. This arrow here. You click there. Click on this arrow here and go back. So once you click there, you click and go back to the playlist. After you finish, you pick another playlist of your choice. Do the same until you are able to see all the videos that you are interested in. Like if you have a problem in biology, look at, we have 39 videos biology paper 3 since 2010. All the practicals paper 3 are here. Let's look at radioactivity, organic chemistry, energy changes. If you want to see the talents, it's there. The moles now here. Look at now chemistry paper 3, all the years since 2007 up to 2024, chemistry paper 3, here they are. Look at them. All of them. You go step by step. Watch each and every one, each of these videos, and you will find chemistry very simple if that is what you want. So thank you. This video is meant to help you get all the videos in this channel. Now if you want to subscribe, you press this button here, subscribe. To subscribe, you will press this button here, subscribe. So once you press this button, it will ask you to log in. You have your email here, sign in, put your email, put your email. Once you put your email, you go next. Then put your password. Click next. It will ask you to confirm with your phone. If you can confirm. Yes, it is me. You can confirm. Sometimes it may not ask you because I have given us two-step verification. That's why. So after you have logged in, you can see you are subscribed. Thank you. Share this app to every student so that they can get these videos.